3 new freelancing websites to make $50 a day, low competition, no investment. Freelancing has grown in popularity over the years as more people seek flexibility and independence in their working lives. However, with so many freelancing websites to choose from, it can be difficult to find the right platform that matches your skills and experience. Many freelancers face difficulties due to the high level of competition on popular freelancing websites, making it difficult to land jobs and earn a decent living. In this Medium post, we will introduce you to 3 new freelancing websites with low competition rates and an excellent opportunity to earn at least $50 per day. I will give you valuable tips on how to use these platforms to increase your chances of landing projects and earning a steady income. These platforms can help you find work that matches your skills and expertise, whether you are a writer, designer, or have other skills. Keep reading if you're looking for new freelancing websites to make $50 per day with no investment. Number 1. TaskShift. TaskShift is a new freelancing website that has quickly gained popularity among freelancers in a variety of fields. The platform has an easy-to-use interface that allows freelancers to create profiles and connect with clients. TaskShift has a low level of competition, making it an ideal platform for new freelancers to gain experience and build their portfolio. Here are some tips for earning $50 per day on TaskShift. Optimize your profile. Your profile is the first impression that potential clients will have of you. Make sure your profile is complete and professional, emphasizing your skills and experience. Apply for projects that match your skills and experience. The key to success on TaskShift is to apply for projects that match your skills and experience. Please read the project description carefully and apply only if you are confident in your ability to deliver high-quality work. Deliver high-quality work. Clients are constantly looking for freelancers who can deliver quality work on time. Make sure you give each project your all, and always communicate with the client if you have any concerns. Long-term relationships. TaskShift is an excellent platform for developing long-term relationships with clients. If a client is pleased with your work, they are more likely to hire you for additional projects in the future, potentially increasing your earnings on the platform. Number 2. Dribbble. Dribbble is a one-of-a-kind platform where designers can showcase their work and connect with potential clients. While it is not a traditional freelancing website, it provides designers with an excellent opportunity to find work and earn money. Because of the low competition on Dribbble, it is easier for new designers to establish themselves and find clients. Here are some tips to grow on Dribbble. Create a strong portfolio. Because Dribbble is a visual platform, having a strong portfolio is essential. Make sure your portfolio features your best work and accurately represents your style and skill set. Network with other designers. Dribbble has a thriving designer community, and connecting with them can lead to new opportunities. Participate in discussions, follow other designers on social media, and interact with their work. Respond to job postings. Many clients post job openings on Dribbble, and being responsive to them can help you get hired. Make sure your profile is complete and respond quickly to any job postings that match your skills. Number 3. Solid Gigs. Solid Gigs is a premium freelancing platform that provides its members with curated job postings. The platform's job postings go through a rigorous vetting process, ensuring that freelancers have access to high-quality, well-paying projects. Solid Gigs is not a free platform, but it does provide a 30-day free trial, making it an excellent choice for freelancers looking to test the waters. Here are some suggestions for making $50 per day on Solid Gigs. Apply for projects that are relevant to your skills and experience. Because Solid Gigs only curates the best job postings, make sure you apply for projects that are relevant to your skills and experience. Read the project description carefully and apply only if you are confident in your ability to deliver high-quality work. Stay organized. Solid Gigs sends out curated job postings every day, so staying organized and applying for relevant projects quickly is critical. Use a calendar or task management app to stay on top of deadlines and avoid missing out on opportunities. Concentrate on long-term relationships. Solid Gigs is an excellent platform for developing long-term client relationships. If a client is pleased with your work, they are more likely to hire you for future projects, increasing your earning potential. In conclusion, freelancing has increased in popularity as a way for people to earn money while working from home. TaskShift, Dribbble, and Solid Gigs, the 3 freelancing websites highlighted in this blog, offer low competition rates and excellent opportunities for new freelancers to gain experience and build their portfolio. Remember that freelancing takes time and effort, and your success on these platforms is determined by the quality of your work and your ability to stand out from the crowd. 3 new freelancing websites to make $50